Oh, okay. Um, right, where am I? Am I alive? Okay. What is some of this? Let me just check. Um, yes. Okay. Okay, I think I remember what I was doing. Okay, so what was it? Picking up from sort of where I finished. Um, I haven't really done that much. If I remember correctly, the last thing I was doing before I sort of like took another break was I was doing health checks on all of our blueprints. So I was essentially trying to go through and try and figure out what um, stuff sort of works and what doesn't. So I think this one, just enemy, was like the melee enemy that we had, which worked right at the start and then just stopped working. So I was doing health checks on that. What have I added to the game? Um, okay, well I think most of what I've added to the game is all visible. Um, sort of. So I'll press play and I'll try and show you. There's nothing major. I think it's just like polishing and stuff. Turn this down. Oh, okay, it just died. Never mind. Hello. Right, shut up. There we go. Please. He's so loud. Okay. So I updated the menu. Don't worry about the alpha thing, because that's just a load of crap, really. Standalone game. Do a standalone game, so it's cleaner. So yeah, so I put in like a 3D menu, some smoke and stuff. Options are pretty much the same as what they used to be. So you've got resolutions and stuff, different resolutions, go back. You can put on full screen, features. So if I go into this, I'll have to back out and start again. I'll do it anyways. But yeah, I put in a 3D model viewer, which I remember saying at the beginning I wanted to do, so that we can show off the models and the work that we did for this game. So I've set up the basics of it. So essentially these two would be like material types, like metal and something else, and you can just sort of like turn it around, and then it shows obviously the different types of lighting that would be on the spheres, and then you can change the lighting, make it brighter or darker. You can do something else, but I can't remember what it was, and then you can obviously zoom in and zoom out and stuff like that, and get like real close onto it, which is pretty cool. It's just like really rudimentary at the moment. I was looking in on how to swap the models around. Um, but I didn't. Obviously, I just didn't get that far. I think that's some like the major sort of bits I did. I can't remember. I did some other stuff as well. Oh yeah, I put in loading screens. Um, before, like after we finished for year two. Um, I think that's about it really. I added some additions to the HUD. I changed the camera around a bit. I think if I remember correctly, I was trying to go for a bit more of a sort of like cartoony feel. Added in some enemies at the beginning. There's another one over there. He's just being stupid. Um, I got the health pickup to work as well. So this does work. See, I think it says there, health is full at the moment, so can't really do anything with that. Ooh, let's see. Yeah, can you see that? Oh, and he's gone. So this is the bare bones version of like one of the things I wanted to add from the start, which is like the mayor being kidnapped. So this is where you turned up was like the mayor got kidnapped, but obviously because he was so large, they just had to strap him to the helicopter like a wrecking ball. So he's just yeah. So that's going through the mission. So that was added. Um, I did do some work on the AI. I've got it so um, these characters can now do damage to you again, but it still has that issue of the static meshes that are on Keith, in like sort of block everything. Um, so yeah, unless we can figure out how to fix that. Okay. Um, yeah, those still won't really be working. I'll just run through the rest of it because if I remember correctly, I don't think the key card still works. I think that still needs fixing. I think essentially one of the main things I'm going to do for now is probably work on the GDD, try and get one of them down, because we did have that when we started, and I think that royally fucked us over. I mean, my fault. Whenever it came to writing a GDD, it was like, video game. So I'll try and get that to work. And I'll try and do health checks and all the blueprints and stuff so that we know what we're working with and what works and what doesn't. That's probably a good idea, so we know how we're starting off. Because I know it's not too bad for me because obviously I've got all the project files, so I just look on it every now and then, look into it every now and then, and it's like I can just sort of pick up where I left off. But spaghetti code will probably be a massive problem. So other than that, I don't think I really added anything. I did. Oh, okay. I did add some AI to here. Did they fall down? No? Hello? What's that? Oh! The fuck? Oh, okay. You can get through there? How did he get through there? I'm sorry, I'm very confused. Well, yeah, there's AI. They seem to pick and choose when they want to work. No problem. So, and then the other thing I added was I tried to add an end game screen, kind of like the one we had on Apu Apu. The blueprints are all there, and they all say that they should work, but very clearly then they don't. So what I added instead was like a small sound effect, and then just an open. Like it's basically just a collision box, and then when you hit it, the level ends, and you just go straight back to the main menu, because clearly this is the only level we have. Other than that, I think it was just basically some compliance features, like are you sure you want to quit, yes or no, sort of things. Nothing major at all, really. Trying to think. I think one of the other things that I wanted to do was is it plugged in? I think it's on my. Oh no, it should be there. There was a bunch of blueprints on my master's project, which were all sort of shooter based. Like I think I did an FPS for my masters, but all the blueprinting stuff can probably work for a third-person shooter. And I think there was some compliance stuff that I added in there that I wouldn't mind adding in Animal Squad. Let's see. The fuck is this? I don't know what this is. Oh, okay, I remember. Yeah, so there was like some very basic. Oof. Oh, this is a bit crispy stuff. I wanted to add on like decals, muzzle flash. I think as well on this, which I can probably port over. I also added in like bullet physics, so when bullets hit stuff, it has like velocity and stuff. Yeah, also turret enemies. One of the things that we wanted to add, I think way back when, was like turreted enemies. I've added them into this, so the blueprint's not actually that hard to add. Yeah, hello. See, yeah, just fires out little physics projectiles. Oh no, what a shame. Ah, I'm being attacked. So yeah, that's good. And there's like, yeah, obviously, because it's UE4, we can just flip over blueprints and stuff. So one of the other blueprints I did was like bounce pad, like a trampoline. Let's see, what else did I do? I don't think there was particularly anything else that I did for this that would work on Animal Squad. I'm trying to remember if I did anything else for Animal Squad, and I don't think I did. There's probably some stuff in there that, like, obviously I've forgotten about. But I think, yeah, I think the majority of what I was doing was health checks, running through some of the blueprinting, trying to clean it up if I could. That's pretty much it, really. But yeah, that, you know, I think I've just been rambling for 12 minutes, but yeah, here you go. That's basically everything I did for Animal Squad in the 3 years since we did it. Right. So yeah. Did I really? See it?